My best greetings, people of God, wherever you are in all corners of the world. This heavenly message concerns people of the Republic of South Africa. So I was praying on 23 July. So in my prayer sessions, I had the vision. So in the vision, I've seen the group of people with the pangas, sticks, and the other kinds of a weapon, destroying lives of other people. Terrible. Then, after seeing them destroying other people, there came a wind, a heavy one, a heavy wind came. And this wind pushed away this group of illiterators. And I could see in the vision how they were flying, pushed by the wind, because the wind was blowing terrible and pushed them away. Then I heard the voice telling me, what you see, the group of people destroying lives of other people for no reason. This is how many of them will disappear. Now, when I came out of the vision, I was asking myself many questions about this group of criminals treating other people and the wind blowing them far away there. And the voice of God telling me they will disappear. Then I kept praying. The more I continued praying again, I came to see another vision. In this vision, I've seen a mortuary, just a mortuary, filling with a lot of bodies, a big mortuary, filling with many, many bodies. Then I heard a voice again telling me, remember what we showed you? The wind blowing and the people were pushed away by the wind. Yeah, this is what we told you, that they will disappear. It means they will end up here. Their bodies will end up here where you see. This is where their body will end up. In the same country where you live in, it will happen like this. Okay, I now understood what God was telling me about how those people who are treating other people will disappear. That means the many people who are busy going here and there and treating innocent for no reasons, they will end up to death. So my dear brothers and sisters, my dear friends, this is a kind of a warning from God. So those who have ears to understand, they may understand this message. I love all of you, wherever you are in the corners of the world. I'm your friend, Master Prophet Afonso Warali Gegete Msawa. Let's continue sharing love and peace wherever we are in the corners of the world. Bye.